ठीक है, इस बीच कर्ज लागत बढ़ने से L&T फाइनेंस के ऑपरेशनल मुनाफे में 7% की गिरावट देखने को मिली है। कंपनी के प्रेसिडेंट एन शिवरामन से बात की हमारे संवाददाता तरुण शर्मा ने।
The operational profits have actually dropped by only 7%, right? The major reason for this have been the increase in the credit cost. Our credit costs have moved up from about 100 crores in the last year, same quarter, to about 155 crores. But last year also we had about 175 crores of exceptional item arising from the sale of Federal Bank shares. So if you ignore it and look at only the operational performance, the drop in profit have been 7%. In the context of the reduction in the increase in the credit cost, I think 7% is a fairly healthy performance, because that basically reflects that the operating performance of the company by way of NIM and asset growth as well as the operational expenses have been quite healthy.
Okay. Sir, what about the net interest margin for this quarter, sir?
We have seen mixed bag. The retail asset segment have actually seen an improvement of by about 10 basis points, where the wholesale segment has seen a drop by about 10 to 15 bips. I think this is a acceptable situation, and we do see the retail segment margins improving. The wholesale segment will remain stable at this level is what our outlook is.
So what is the outlook for the next quarter?
The margins, as I said, will improve from where we are today, and the business growth will be subdued because there are very limited opportunities. We are extremely cautious about our credit selection. I would say that if we achieve about 15 to 17% growth in balance sheet, we will be satisfied.
Okay. Last question to you, sir. The banking license is due, so how much you hopeful for the L&T Finance?
We have good credentials, so I do believe that we have a stand of extremely good chance to get one.
चलिए, तो यहाँ पर L&T फाइनेंस के मैनेजमेंट बताते हुए कि कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरिंग बढ़ने से कंपनी के मार्जिन्स घटे हैं, लेकिन इसी बीच में एक और खबर आती हुई कि यहाँ पर NELP 10 के लिए